Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level using the oil dipstick on your Smart ForTwo. Certain components in the engine compartment could be very hot. The engine, the radiator and parts of the exhaust system should be hot because your engine has to be hot. This is important. Drive your car until 5 kilometers, 3 miles, etc. Then shut off the engine and let it rest for approximately 5 minutes. And then the car is ready to check the oil level. There is a risk of injury when accessing the engine compartment. As far as possible, allow the engine to cool down and only touch the components described in the following options. If we open the bonnet while the engine is overheated, or while there is a fire in the engine compartment, we should come into contact with hot gases. But in this case, it's a standard way. We open everything and then we can see our engine. There are moving components in the engine compartment. Certain components may continue to move or suddenly move again even after the ignition has been switched off. For example, the radiator fan. There is a risk of injury too. But we have switched off the engine. We have never touched dangerous areas surrounding the components, the rotation areas of the fan, for example. We removed jewelry and watches. We keep items of clothing and hair, for example, away from moving parts. We have opened the engine compartment cover, as you can see, and here you can see we are now entering to the engine area. So, this area you can top up your oil level if it is it has to be. Now we have to pull the oil dipstick out of the oil dipstick tube. Oh yeah, now we have to wipe off the oil dipstick. Slowly slide the oil dipstick into the guided tube to the stop, and after this we can read the oil level. Here you can see there is the minimum and maximum mark, and between these two marks our oil level has to be there. If your oil level is over the maximum range, this is on the right side here, yeah, this is too much. We have to remove a little bit oil. But if you are under the minimum mark, we can top up a little bit oil. So, move the dipstick back, slowly and gently. Now, take it out again. Here we are, we took it out. And now, if the level is between the minimum mark and the maximum mark, the oil level is correct. In this case, it is a little bit over maximum, so we have to remove a little bit oil. Certain components in the engine compartment could be very hot. So take care of your fingers, take care of your body, because you only let the engine cool down for approximately 5 minutes. This is that the oil can go back into the oil chamber down after this we can measuring it, or we can see the oil level. So that's nice. If engine oil comes into contact with hot components in the engine compartment, it may ignite. There's a risk of fire and injury. Take care of that. And if we have to top up a little bit, we have to turn the cap anti-clockwise and remove it. The yellow cap on the right side here in the frame. Then we top up the engine oil. Between maximum and minimum is 1 liter capacity. And now we finished everything. We can, for example, top up a little bit, or we can remove a little bit oil if it is too much. But if there's too much oil, you have to look why. Do you have water in the oil area? That's not good. Take care of it. So now we are reattaching the good old engine covers, and job's done. Then we are ready to get back on the street again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.